so as you guys can see, this is the look that I am going to be showing you guys how to do. I don't know, I wanted to try something different, so if you guys are interested and you guys want to know how I achieve this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. I never really do my brows black, but for this look I will be applying some black eyeliner pencil. So I'm going in with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I will be taking this burnt orange. So I'm using this to cut my crease, and literally I'm gonna cut my crease. This is latex, and I did purchase this at that Halloween store. I think it's called like Halloween Spirit or Spirit Halloween, something like that. Okay, so I'm just going in with the brush and just cutting my crease with the latex. So it doesn't have to be perfect because it is going to be a cut crease, like literally a cut on my eye, so you know. And then I will be applying some cotton. I'll go back in and apply another layer of latex over that cotton. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to start on my face. I'm going in with the same concealers that I always use. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my favorite bronzer, which is this one from Pure Cosmetics, and this one's in the shade Mineral Glow. And I'm just gonna bronze up a little bit. The only reason I'm bronzing is because I am placing the bronzer where I do want to apply some cuts. It's kind of making little cuts, as you guys can see. But first you do want to kind of pick it up from your skin, that way you won't cut yourself. So going in with another brush, I am going to use this paint, and I'm just going to apply it all over my latex. And I will be going in with this fake blood. Okay, so going in with the same paint, I'm gonna start painting my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and start drawing kind of like a skeleton. And then just add a little bit of black shadow. Kind of just go back and forth with blending and then applying more shadow until you get the desired look that you're going for. Okay, and then I am gonna outline those circles with white eyeliner. So real quick, I'm gonna draw my eyeliner. The lashes I will be using are these, and I purchased these at Walmart. For my lower lash line, I will be applying some black liner. And then I'll just apply a little bit of black shadow just to smoke it out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start outlining my cheekbone. Then I'm gonna start drawing my teeth. Okay, so ahorita I'll go back to my face, but I'm gonna start right here on my bones. I am gonna kind of draw them out, carve them out, if I can find them. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna start adding flesh right here, and then right here, and right here. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose real quick. Okay, and then I'm going in back with this blood. I'm just putting it all over. Alright guys, we are all done. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I know it is really bloody, but I wanted to do something different. I always do like something glittery, something really colorful, so I wanted to do something really bloody today. I hope you guys liked it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to before you guys do exit this video, and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. Alright guys, well I hope to see you guys next time. Bye guys.